Make plans to head outside and enjoy the sights and sounds this season in your Geauga Park District.
We're set to go to trial September 12th, and the court is ready and will be ready that day. I do want to remind counsel that I don't have a large enough facility here to bring in a great big pool of jurors. The most I can accommodate, and even that's a stretch, is to bring in 30 or 31 prospective jurors. We do assign them numbers, and hopefully we'll be able to select a jury on Monday, September 12th. But if not, we'll have some additional jurors that can come in the next day, and we'll adjourn until the next day till we get the correct number of jurors, and then proceed with voir dire thereafter. Discovery is proceeding. Any commentary? I'll go to the state first.
Your Honor, if I may, provided some additional CDs today that we had duplicated from old microcassettes dating back to some historical events that led to this case, and those have been provided to Mr. Hilo today. Conversations with his client and another individual that provide some background to this case that the state would be seeking to admit at the trial. Also, all discovery has been ongoing as follow-ups have been conducted. Things have been sent to Mr. Hilo. There may be one or two issues we're dealing with, but I think we'll have those provided to him by the end of the week. And as we spoke earlier, there'll be a follow-up conference on September the 7th. If there are any issues, we can bring them to the court's attention at that point.
All right, as long as you stand in, Mr. Scarcella, was your rough estimate that the state's case may last up to the week?
4 days will be our estimate by the time we get our case in chief.
Okay. Exclusive of voir dire?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you. Then, Mr. Hilo, I'll turn to you. Same questions?
Your Honor, I would state for the record that I have not seen any discovery issues in this case. Communication between the government and my client, myself, has been ongoing. I have made requests, and they have either been acknowledged as being provided or acknowledged that those requests, that information doesn't exist. And I would echo what Mr. Scarcella says, it's been ongoing and communication continues, and I do not have any discovery issues with the state.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Hilo. And is there anything else for the record that the court should know about before we adjourn, or which you wish to place upon the record for any other purpose? State of Ohio.
The only thing I'd state for the record, Your Honor,
Mr. Hilo.
I just want the record to be clear on this, is that because we've maintained communication out, we very well will be meeting with the government and the prosecutors before that date also. And I just want the record to reflect that this isn't a situation where either side is waiting for the 7th of September to consummate some business, but it's been an ongoing process and relationship. And I just wanted the record to be clear on behalf of both sides that that's being done.
The state would wholeheartedly agree. There's been a lot of cooperation on both sides throughout the pendency of this case.